Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Ahn Co. I'm going to go over the grain markets for the day and week with you. It's Friday, February 28th. So we continue to battle that pressure from the coronavirus as it spills over from the outside markets into the grain and meat markets. And we're really struggling to grasp what is it going to do to the global economy. And that's something we're dealing with and seeing within these markets, that it's a risk-off mentality. Those outside markets really got hit this week, and that is the driving force to push everything else lower. So when you look at outside markets, crude oil over $8 lower in the week, the Dow market down 4,000 points. That's about 14 to a 17% move to the downside in both those markets. Unleaded gasoline over 28 cents lower, and then the US dollar over a full dollar lower. So these are not good things when you look at it. We kind of have to decipher what this could do to the global economy with some new countries popping up with more cases. And you're trying to get a grasp on what is actually happening in China. So that's where that pressure comes, spilled over, like I said, to the grain markets. Corn market able to reverse itself, closing up a quarter-cent on the day. That was nice to see. Still down 10.5 cents on the week. Soybean market down 2.25 today, down 7 cents on the week. On wheat markets, they were hit hardest overall when you look at it, but you did see a rebound, and that was the driving force to see corn market come higher. Was Kansas City and Minneapolis wheat both posting higher gains on the day. So Kansas City wheat up 1.5 pennies today, Minneapolis wheat up 3.5, but overall Kansas City wheat down 23 cents on the week, and Minneapolis wheat down 14.75. When you look at Chicago, still posting lower, down 2.5 cents today, down 22 cents on the week. So a bit of pressure there. Meat market, same situation. You actually had a point where you saw these markets come back, that you're going to see cattle actually post higher closes on the day and then fell off right before the close. Live cattle down 2.90, feeders down $1.30, lean hogs down 27.5 cents. When you look at it as a whole, live cattle down over $7 on the week, feeders down almost $9 on the week, and then lean hogs down $4.75. So a lot of pressure overall when you look at it. Crop insurance prices were finalized for corn, beans, and wheat. Corn came in at $3.88 compared to $4 last year. Bean market came in at $9.17 compared to $9.54 last year. And then spring wheat came in at $5.56. All of them post about 3 to 4% decline year over year on crop insurance prices. So we're dealing with that, especially when you look at the bean market. There's a lot of questions about what could get planted with how wet everything still is in the crop in the ground. And that's going to be a big decision maker, whether or not Prevent Plant will pay off on such a low price when you look at those numbers. Moving forward, we can get a break from these kind of coronavirus news in the trading front, see where we come in Sunday night, Monday morning, and pretty much you're going to be driving off of that factor for a while here until we can see some more information. You are supposed to see waivers be given from China March 2nd, so hopefully we'll be able to start seeing those next week, get some idea on purchases, and then get a crop report on the 10th. I do have to close with the disclaimer: trading futures and option involves risk loss and is not suitable for all producers. This is a solicitation. Have a great weekend.